Hello everyone. So TalkBack is a great accessibility feature from Google designed to assist users with visual impairments by providing spoken and braille feedbacks for navigating your device. So let me guide you through it. And first of all, we are to open up our settings, of course. Now let's scroll down to our accessibility. And here, locate your TalkBack. It's made in its own division. Let's press settings before we activate it. So here you can see a lot of different settings. You can set it up in Braille keyboard, in Braille display. Here are some customizable things. If you're gonna press text-to-speech settings, you can choose a preferred engine if you have more, but I'll use basic speech recognition and synthesis from Google. Now choose the language which you're gonna be using. Keep it on system language. You can reset it if you need to. Here you can set up a speech rate and a pitch, and you can also press play. Yep, to see how it works. Let's get back. Once again, I recommend you to go through them by yourself because it's really customizable and comfortable feature. So let's activate it and press allow. So basically it's started. Now, how do we operate with TalkBack and how does it work? Let me go back to the main screen. So basically, to make a choice and to make it work, let me make a little bit more sound. All right, you can already hear it. So basically, to make it work, simply tap on any object and it's gonna read what is written on the object or on a message, for example. Yep, that's how it works. So basically, whatever you do, your phone is gonna tell you about it and explain you what is it. How do you navigate with the user with? So to make swipes, you're not to use one finger, but you're just to use two fingers to make your classical swipe. So as you see, everything works. As well as with the sound, you can control the volume simply by using your fingers, not one, but two. Now, let's navigate to the settings and turn it off. For instance, while I'll show you the whole function now. So swipe up with two fingers. Now to make a choice, you're to tap once on the application or any text. So it's gonna be highlighted with a green color. It means that you made a choice. Now made a double tap on the application, for example, and it's gonna be chosen. Now to turn off or use any kind of switches on your TalkBack, you're simply to tap on the switch once, make a double tap, then press turn off, for example, make a double tap. Now it's turned off. Well, basically, that's how you use it. And here, by the way, in this TalkBack menu, you can see a little guide on it as well. So if you're getting lost, make sure to read this guide. But basically, that's it. It's quite easy. It's quite useful. Simply get acquainted with it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.